Hello, everyone. I will be going through Module 4 for the overview. Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, so here we are in Module 4, growing distribution and improving conversion of the sales funnel. So this one, this model, you're expected to work from the 27th to the 30th. Please, if you have it done earlier, that much the better. The time expectancy is 4 hours. And we have, again, the learning objectives and the alignment to the course content. We have one reading here, which is the case study. Now, this is similar to the Module 3 with the GoPro case study. Here is the Hilux case study, which is really interesting because this is a company that an entrepreneurship student started at another university. So I think you might be able to resonate with that a bit. For our resources, we have the slide deck lecture on improving the sales funnel and another slide deck lecture on growing distribution. And then I have a nice video here that I think you will find interesting. It's very pointed and direct on ways that you can increase your conversion rate. So I think you'll find that interesting. Then for our assignments, we have the reading quiz that we have with all the case studies. And then we have your suggestion for thoughts to increase the conversion rate as well as the sales funnel for our discussion post. So please, just a brief post, but make it condense, but also include specific information as to how and why you believe the areas that Hilux can improve their conversion and increase the sales of their sales funnel. And then we have the case study. The case study is designed the same as the case study for GoPro. So please follow that same format, including all names of all the members of the team. Put your name in there, or whoever's submitting the assignment, the project manager would be sure that they have included everyone's first and last name on the document and then included their answers. And hopefully in the end, when we reach Module 6, after the case study analysis, you'll have a good feeling as to the strengths and weaknesses of team members to help distribute the work for that funnel project. And that is all. So I want to thank you so much, and I hope you do enjoy this case study and the module.